Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is May the 26th, Friday, heading into a 3-day weekend. Not sure I'll be putting on any more positions today, but I do have a few coming in. Qs, taking a look at it, nice gap up yesterday, finished pretty much a doji. Seeing a little bit of gap up today in the Qs. Spies, a little bit different story. We're kind of been stuck in a range now, right in the middle of this range. So we'll have to see which side wins at the end. But so far, I'm not sure. I want to be short. We are above all of our moving averages. All right, let's take a look at some opportunity today. Still liking this Amazon. I am in this. I bought it a few days ago on the 10 period moving average. Added to my position yesterday. Let's see if this thing can pop up and get above this range. But I like this setup right here in Amazon. Uh, Shop is playing this a little bit different. It's broken its 10 period moving average, trying to hold on to the 20. I'd like to see it trade back above this 60, get back above that 10 period moving average in that shop. RIVN, I think you still have to watch this. I know it's in a downtrend, it's ugly, but it's trying to put in a bottom here. Held a higher low. So, and trying to build off that above key moving averages. So watch that RIVN. Uh, Donkey Kong, I think you got to keep an eye on it as well. Another one that's kind of sitting on its 10 and 20 period moving average. I'd like to see this one get back above yesterday's high though in that one. A little bit different look here. This FLS had earnings gap down. Well, it closed the gap and also it tried to break the 50 yesterday and held on. This is one, if I do enter, it probably would be like a 1/4 size, 1/3 size at the most if I took a position in this one. But anyway, have a great weekend, guys, and I'll talk to you next week.